Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to prime a closed system for Nexus. So we're going to start what you need to start out with. Todd, if you would come down here to the table. Right now I've got a closed tri set, the P6062N. So this has the two legs, TPN lipid leg and the med leg. Same process will be for the quad set as well. You also need two 10 ml syringes, each filled with about 5 ml of your green solution. To demonstrate, this would be just regular saline for the customer, regular normal saline. Make sure you have all the air purged out of your syringes. Start with one of your short legs. So in this case, I'm going to start with the TPN leg. I'm going to attach my syringe. I'm going to flush through with my fluid. It goes through the filter and you'll see it start to drip out. This end here, that's when I know that it's been flushed through. Before I disconnect my syringe, I'm going to clamp that line. I then disconnect, move on to the next short leg. So this is the lipid leg. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to flush until I see fluid drip. It's dripping. So I clamp, disconnect, and now I move to the stopcock. We're going to put one syringe on the flushing port, one syringe on the med port, and notice the stopcock is faced off right now towards the patient in this case. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull back on the med port side, and you can see when I pulled back it kind of depressed this plunger a little bit. See how that's happening? What it's doing, it's priming this section right here. So that really only takes a small amount. Now I'm going to turn the stopcock off to the flush side, and I'm going to flush all the way through this tubing. So this is a little bit more of a flush until it starts to drip out. Okay, see it dripping? I've flushed all the way through. Now I can clamp off the clamp, and this is now ready to be connected to the patient. They can remove these two syringes, take this to the patient. This little end piece comes off, and this is what connects directly to the T connector or to the PICC line, whatever the case the customer may be using. And that's it. Your line is primed. Red button.